What's up, guys? Okay, so the market was really active today on Friday. My first trade was actually on ROKU, and I think I took a $3 loss on it. So it was a very small loss. I didn't feel the need to include it. I also took a $2 loss on PE, but like I said, those were both two very small losses, and so I just didn't feel the need to add those to the video. My third trade of the day was on CAPR, and I got in with 40 shares looking for it to break over that $0.50 area. It did just like I wanted it to, and once it reached 255, I added another 40 shares, making my full position size 80 shares. Now, Ustock labeled this one limited liquidity after I was already into it, and so that made me a little bit worried, just because it's really tough to get out with a limit order sometimes. And so, if this thing started to drop really quickly, I could have been in a pretty bad position, but I didn't have to worry about it too much because CAPR eventually pushed up to that 270s area. It bounced back and forth between 275 and 270 for a little while, but eventually I made my exit at $2.70 for a $12 profit. Okay, so my next trade from today was on SGMO, and I got in with 50 shares in the 1490s, looking for it to break over that resistance at $15. Eventually it did, and it pushed up to $15.15, and it just couldn't break over that previous high at $15.15. And so I held this one, gave it a little bit of time to see if it would make that push that I was looking for, but it just couldn't, and it bounced back down to about $15.11, which is where I ultimately decided to exit this trade, making about $7 or $7.50 profit. Okay, so my best trade from today was actually a swing trade I was holding from yesterday. I bought ROKU right here at this flat top breakout in the 1850s, and you can see once it broke over this flat top right here, it continued to push up. And I didn't realize this when I bought this stock, but I had no more day trades left on Robinhood where I bought it, and so I couldn't actually exit until this morning. Luckily, it worked out for me as this thing gapped up in a really big way. And you can see one of my favorite swing trading strategies, I'll go over it in another video, but one of my favorite strategies with swing trades is when the stock closes at or just over that previous high. You can see that previous high on ROKU yesterday was right here at this $23 area, and it closed just above that. And so when that happens, a lot of eyes get brought to it and people start watching it, buying it, and after I was in pre-market. And so this thing just gapped up in a big way, and I was able to exit at about $29, making $75 profit with only 10 shares on my very small Robinhood account. And so I was definitely happy with this trade. It was a huge gain for my small account, and so hopefully maybe I'll start swing trading a little bit more. But with all that being said, that's the end of this video. Make sure you hit those like and subscribe buttons, guys. It really does a lot to help support us. Also, be sure to come check out our free day trading chat room. I post a link in each video's description, so come check it out if you have time, and good luck in the markets on Monday. Thanks for watching, guys.